how to put your WordPress website in maintenance mode. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can put your WordPress website in maintenance mode. So by the end of this video you will know how to do so make sure to watch it till the end. So let's just get started. So over here, as you can see, I'm on my dashboard and this is how it looks like. So you're gonna need to do the same. You're gonna log into your WordPress website, and next step, what we're going to do is we're going to come over to the left side and we're going to scroll down to the plugin section over here. Now I have a bunch of different plugins installed, so don't worry about that. For you, you can find the plugin section right here and hover your mouse over it and click on add new plugin. So once you do that, it's going to take you over to the plugin store where we can find a plugin for our needs. And as you can see, we are here into the plugin store, and what we're here to do is we're going to simply search for a plugin called Cmp. So as you can see, once you search for Cmp, this plugin will come up over here, coming soon and maintenance plugin by Nitio Themes. So we're just simply going to click on install now, wait for a couple of seconds to be installed, and once it's installed, we'll just simply click on activate, and boom, there we go. And next thing what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down into our plugins library over here, and we're going to find that plugin. So as you can see, it's over here, CPM coming soon and maintenance mode plugin. And over here on the left side, if you scroll down, we can find the plugin over here called Cmp Settings. So we're just simply going to click on Cmp Settings, and it's going to take us to the dashboard of it. So over here, as you can see, we have all these different settings in front of us, and we have the enable disable button over here. When we enable it, then the maintenance mode will be enabled, and then we have coming soon and landing page, we have maintenance mode, or we have redirect mode. You can choose whichever one you want. So what we're going to do is we're going to keep it coming soon and landing page, or we can change it to maintenance mode over here. First, we're going to enable it, and then we're going to click on maintenance mode. And then over here, as you can see, we have three options. Either we select whole website, homepage only, or whitelist/blacklist. We're going to choose the whole website so that it is applied to the whole website. Next thing, what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down and see what kind of theme we want it to be enabled. So we have a bunch of different themes that we can choose from. And over here, we have all these different types of themes that you can download, and you can buy them from different websites as well. But we have three options over here, the basic ones. So we have this one, and this one. I'm going to choose this one, and I'm simply going to click on preview to preview it and see how it looks like. So this is how it looks like. As you can see, this is very simple. It's really easy. You have your timer over here, new directory, you will have your website name over here, something is happening, and then down below you will have your email address where people can simply email you, and people can simply add their email so that you will know their email addresses. And once the website has been done and it's ready to be launched, you can send them an email telling them that the website is finished, you can now visit us. So as you can see, it's really simple. So I'm going to click on activate and choose this theme right here. So now it's activated. Now let's go ahead and visit our website to see how it looks like. So if I come over to my website, as you can see, I can access the website because I'm an admin user, so I don't have to wait for the maintenance mode. So what I can do now is I can open an incognito tab and I can visit my website so that you can see how it looks like. So over here, as you can see, this is how it looks like whenever someone will come over to my website, and they will be greeted with this message. So this is how you basically add a maintenance plugin onto your WordPress website. Now let's go ahead and customize it and see what we can change. So over here at the top, we have a bunch of different options. We have content, we have customization, SEO analytics, custom CSS, and advanced. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into content, and over here we have a bunch of different options. So either we want a text logo, a graphic logo, or a disabled or no logo at all. So you can choose whichever one you want. So let's go with a graphic logo, and over here just simply select your logo. And over here you just simply have to select your logo. I'm going to select this one, or actually this question mark would look much better. So we're going to choose that, and we're going to set the custom logo height as well. If we want to, you can do that. So you have a bunch of different scales over here. So we're going to keep it at 130, and then you have your logo link over here as well. And then you have your main content over here. So you have your heading, something is happening. You can change that to just wait a couple of minutes, or you can add like the website is under a maintenance process, please wait. something like that, and then you can leave a message down below and you can just simply click on save and boom, there you go. So I'm going to go ahead and change it to the website is under maintenance, and I'm just simply going to write please come back later. Yeah, that looks nice. And next thing what we can do is we can change the background. So we have the default media over here. We can even add a video, we can add a graphics pattern if you want. So over here, as you can see, this is how it looks like. You can add a solid color or you can add a gradient color. It all depends on you. You can even add a video. So to add a video, just simply select the source of your video. You can even add a custom video file if you want, and then just simply enter in a YouTube video URL, or you can just select a video from the media library. So in media library, you can even upload your own video, or you can just select a image or whatever you want from your library if it's already uploaded. So I'm on YouTube and I have found this video and I think this looks pretty nice. So I'm just simply going to copy the link of this video and I'm simply going to go back into the editor and I'm going to paste this video and I'm going to choose loop video automatically, and boom, there we go. So now we're just simply going to click on save all changes, and there you go. Now we have done that. Now let's go ahead and visit it and see how it looks like. So I'm going to open up the incognito tab again, and I'm just simply going to paste the website link and see how it looks like. So as you can see, this is how it looks like. The logo needs to change because it's weird, so we can change that, but everything else looks pretty good. So let's go ahead and do that, shall we? So over here, let me just remove the logo real quick. I'm going to select this image right here and click on insert logo. Here we go. And we also have a bunch of different other settings as well. So if you wanted to, you can change the timer as well. So click on a date and input the set timer. So right now it's set to 24 hours. You can set over here. So let's just say that your website will be finished in about a week. So just simply select the date that you want. Let's just say your website will be ready next Saturday. Just choose that date and then select the time. And let's just say that our website will be launched at 12 a.m. and boom, that's all we have. Then we'll just simply click on save change, and there we go. Now let's go ahead and reload the page and see how it looks like. So I'm going to reload it right now. As you can see, this is how it looks like. So it's really nice. It really looks pretty cool. And as you can see, we have 7 days, 13 hours, 10 minutes, and 19 seconds. Please come back later. And yes, looks really good. So this is how you basically add a maintenance mode into your website on your WordPress. You can have a bunch of other customization options as well. So you have your active color, font colors, you have your headings over here. You can change the fonts of all of the other stuff as well. You have your SEO directories over here. You can even add a custom CSS code for, like, if you have like a custom animation code that you wanted to implement, then you can go ahead and do that in the custom CSS, and you have a bunch of different other settings as well. So that's how you basically add a maintenance mode into your WordPress website. And I hope you guys found this video helpful and entertaining. If so, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications. And I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.